Can you trust your memory? What happens when you make a memory? Does your brain fabricate memories? Could fake news create false memories about COVID-19? Yes, and you are not alone.
A false memory is a situation in which an individual would believe in the reality or the veracity of the memory that they possess, without realizing that that memory in fact has been fabricated. False memories can be created on account of a number of different reasons. For certain individuals, they are easily suggestible, and that factor could play a role in the development of a false memory. At the same time, for a lot of people, when they get a lot of misinformation or they get fake news or false information, that's when a false memory can also get created. Misattribution for the reasons of why a situation occurred can lead to the generation of false memories as well as the role that is played by your own emotional states, a big factor in deciding how do you interpret a situation and what is the memory that you form of it.
A study published in December 2020 in Ireland revealed that COVID-19 fake news can lead to formation of false memories. The research conducted on 3,746 participants showed that the vulnerability to this misinformation depends on the amount of knowledge a person had about the novel coronavirus and their ability to think critically. Some people had memories for both true and fabricated stories, but these participants provided specific sources for true stories. What does this mean? This means that the study points out that the actual knowledge of a topic enhances a person's ability to differentiate between true and false stories and reduces the tendency of forming false memories. Before moving on, let's understand the difference between objective knowledge and perceived knowledge. Being objective is when we base our opinions on facts and not personal feelings. Perceived knowledge, on the other hand, is merely the feeling of having knowledge without actually having evaluated it. The Ireland study too showed that objective knowledge was the key. Greater objective knowledge about COVID-19 reduced the likelihood of forming false memories even after one was exposed to fake news about COVID. In fact, it increased the chances of forming true memories. The study mentions, and I quote, "Interventions aimed at increasing critical thinking or improving subject knowledge may help to reduce susceptibility to COVID-19 related fake news." Multiple researchers have shown how people can form false memories after being exposed to fabricated stories, especially if those stories are aligned with their political beliefs. People are often unable to reconsider their memory even after being told that some of it may be based on information that was fake. Clearly, once a false memory has registered in our minds, it is not easy to shake off.
The biggest challenge with false memories getting created through fake news is that repeated exposure to that information leads to further solidification and belief in that particular piece of information. It becomes hard for individuals to be able to dispute that information on their own. And in fact, even when evidence may be available to the contrary, they still struggle to let it go. And finally, what they also end up doing, of course unintentionally, is that they would perpetuate that particular information to other people within their ecosystem, leading to the spread of that fake news.
In order to make sure that your understanding of a piece of information is accurate, one must reflect on it, try to probe, question and verify through credible and reliable sources as to what the reality is.